Feeling low on energy lately? What if I told you the secret to all-day vitality could be growing right in your own backyard? With the Medicinal Garden Kit, you can easily grow powerful healing herbs right at home, herbs that not only support your health, but can also be turned into delicious, energizing smoothies. The link to grab your kit is in the description below. Let's make 3 amazing medicinal herb smoothies that naturally boost your energy without caffeine or sugar crashes. First, the Peppermint and Lemon Energy Refresher. Peppermint improves alertness and focus, while lemon gives a burst of vitamin C. Just blend a handful of fresh peppermint leaves, half a lemon, 1 banana, and a cup of cold water. It's refreshing and perfect to start your day. Next, the Ginseng Green Power Smoothie. Ginseng reduces fatigue and boosts stamina. Mix 1 teaspoon of ginseng powder, a handful of spinach, 1 apple, and a cup of almond milk. This one's ideal before your morning workout or a busy day. Finally, the ashwagandha and moringa super smoothie. Ashwagandha helps your body fight stress, while moringa is packed with vitamins and minerals that enhance energy naturally. Blend half a teaspoon of ashwagandha, a handful of moringa leaves, 1 banana, a tablespoon of honey, and a cup of coconut water. It's creamy, delicious, and energizing. And that's it. 3 powerful smoothies made from healing herbs that help you stay active, focused, and refreshed all day long. If you'd love to grow these amazing herbs yourself, the Medicinal Garden Kit makes it super easy. It includes everything you need to start your own healing herb garden at home. Tap the link in the description to get your kit today, and start blending your way to better energy and wellness straight from your own backyard.